Audi is bringing the all-new 2019 A7 four-door coupe to the Detroit Auto Show to make its public debut on U.S. soil. The second generation of the Audi A7 is heavily inspired by the design of the Prologue concept, featuring sculpted lines and large uninterrupted surfaces, as well as a sloping roofline. Despite the latter, Audi claims that the new A7 offers more space and comfort for rear passengers than the outgoing model, with more room for both their heads and legs. Audi still hasn't shared anything about the powertrains of the new US spec A7, but we know that the new four-door coupe will come with the turbocharged 355 horsepower 3.0-liter TFSI V6 paired to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch gearbox and a quattro all-wheel drive system. More powertrains will be available at the future, including plug-in hybrid versions,